Do you know how to achieve maximum efficiency using a multiplace laboratory manifold? Let's explore the common ways of using a manifold. This first scenario involves performing all steps of membrane filtration technique on one position before moving to the next sample at the next position. This will result in the maximum processing time. In our second scenario, we start by pouring all samples consecutively on each manifold position and then opening the valves to begin filtration. The overall processing time is extended by waiting to start all samples at the same time. Let's explore the efficiencies of starting the fluid filtration immediately after pouring each sample. Next, we start at the first position, uncapping and pouring sample 1. At this point, it is important to immediately open the valve to start the filtration and then proceed to the next sample. We continue until all positions are filtering their corresponding sample. Most samples will have filtered through. By then, you are ready to rinse. After all rinse fluid is drawn through your filters, you can then turn off all valves and proceed with retrieving and plating your membrane filters. Busy labs need streamlined workflows, and Cytiva's multiplace laboratory manifold is an essential tool to provide maximum efficiency. At Cytiva, we have a complete range of microbiology products, including membranes, dispensers, and funnels. Please visit cytiva.com for more information.